Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, please subscribe and like my video where we bring you the latest trends and styles, inspirations. And today video is all about the perfect pairing of stocking and party dress. Get ready for a fashions that will live you absolutely. Number 1, introducing the trends. We are diving the right into the hottest trends for the seasons. From classic shade stocking to bolder patterns and everything in between. You very got a stunning glimpse for you today. Let's kick things off with your first dazzling ambitions. Number 2, sheer elegance. Sheer stocking are timeless, offering a touch of elegance to any party dress. Look at how effortlessly it elevates the entire of outfit, perfect for those who want to add a touch of sophistication for their styles. Number 3, bold and beautiful patterns. If you are feeling a bit more daring, why not go for stocking with bold patterns? Script polka dots over intricate designing. The options are endless. Let your personality shine through your outfit. Number 4, statement colors. Now let's talk about making a statements with colors. Bright, vibrant, stockings pair it with a complementary party dress can turns has wherever you go. Let's all about expensive your unique style. Number 5, mix and match tips. Don't forget the key is to experiment and find which works best for you. Mix and match textures, lengths and colors to create your own signature look. Fashion is all about expensive yourself. And there you have it, our fabulous showcase for women's stocking and party dress combinations. I hope you found some inspirations for your next glamorous events. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more fashion content. Now let's ask now in the comments which combinations was your favorite. Until next time, stay stylish and confident. This is sign off. See you in the next video.